we have the hiccups. And so it just seemed like the perfect opportunity for a little video of Miss Brooke. They're not bad hiccups. Hiccups aren't bad. They're not bad. Yeah, look at you. We're just about to go home today. We're just about to go home to your house so you can meet everybody there, including Baxter Beagle. Oh, you're such a good girl. And there's Mommy. We're so proud of Mommy. Yeah. Your first video. Oh, hey. You want to say anything? And give us a little squeal? Oh, hey. Hey. It's like I can't even get a word out with all these hiccups coming out. There we go. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Okay, well, we get the idea. That'll end this video.